5-minute plan. Vikram is showing Lynn a long list of things he wants for a new online ordering system at the cafe.
So, first we need a website with our location, a full menu, prices, and a payment method for each order.
Vikram, this list is really long.
I know. I worked on it for 2 weeks. Every detail is important.
Or I can do the whole thing in 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That's not possible, Lynn.
Lynn takes out her phone and opens social media. She takes a photo of Vikram's best sandwich.
Done.
What? What did you do?
I posted the photo and wrote, "Text this number to order. We'll make anything. Pay when you pick up."
But there's no menu, no prices, no total for the customer.
People don't want a complicated website, Vikram. They want a great sandwich.
I don't know, Lynn.
Vikram looks worried. 10 minutes later, Lynn's phone buzzes. Then it buzzes again. And again.
Whoa, 15 orders already.
Really? 15?
20 now. No, 25.
Lynn, this is amazing. Your idea is working.
Lynn's phone does not stop buzzing. She looks stressed.
Wait, Vikram. I used my personal phone number.
Oh, no.
These people are texting me. All of them. One guy is asking me about utensils.
Well, you should answer him. Every detail is important.
I've made a terrible mistake.
Don't worry, Lynn. It's not a big commitment. Only 5 minutes, right?